I love a wig that I don't have to do too much on, girl, because I got a job, I got things to do. I can't just be out here plucking wigs.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Y'all see this hair? Isn't it gorgeous? But before we get into this hair and these beautiful waves on my head, we're gonna get into this wine. This wine is wine that I purchased from Costco. This wine, was what, $9.99, $10, a little bit on the high side. But this is the Anco, some wine from Argentina. It just says white wine, but it's 13% alcohol, so that's what we're looking for, trying to get lit. So next, we're gonna get into this wig here. This hair is from a hair company called Mslynn. Mslynn is an online wig store where you can buy wigs, you can buy weaves, you can buy bundles, frontals, all types of things like that. And one of the wigs that they're featuring on their website now is this wig right here. This wig is a 360 lace front wig in the texture water wave, and it's in 24 inches. This is a cap size small, but it came with 4 combs on the inside, which I cut out. Y'all know I don't do combs because I'm not trying to rip what little hair I have out. So I cut out all the combs, and it comes with adjustable straps at the back. So if you don't know what a 360 lace front wig is, I think most of you do. It is basically a round the world girl sort of wig situation. So your lace goes all the way around your head, and in the middle they have tracks. So I'm not really a 360 lace frontal wig sort of girl because my head is pea size. So most 360 lace frontals are not fit to my head. But the great thing about 360 lace frontals, especially if it fits your head size, you actually can wear your hair up in the back. So I'll go ahead and show you the back and see what this hair looks like. Then I'll show you what it looks like up. My hair is actually out in the back here, but you get the idea. You're supposed to be able to wear your hair up. So as far as the hair on this unit, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. The curl type is, like they said, a water wave. So it has like waves and curl. Like the waves just remind me of like beach waves. And then towards the end, it kind of curls up. But I'll go ahead and show you exactly what I did to make this wig look cute or whatever. And then I'll be back. So we're going to start off by bleaching the knots on this wig like we always do, just to make her look a little bit more natural. And I'll show all the products that I use for bleaching the knots and everything down below. We're also going to cut off this lace, and since it's a 360 lace wig, you have to cut the lace all the way around the head. So just make sure you turn the wig upside down and complete the back as well. So we're just going to try it on and figure out how the ear tabs are going to be working on the 360 lace wig. Like I said, sometimes it doesn't fit correctly, so I have to chop off some excess fabric on my 360 lace frontal. So I'm just sizing it out and chopping off those extra pieces. Now we're going to try it on our head again. I used the ball cap method. It was a mess, girl. I didn't know what I was doing, as you can tell, so don't pay attention to that. But I'm just going to add some got to be glued gel onto my head. It's the clear kind, and I'm going to use a blow dryer to dry it until it's tacky so the wig can stick on my forehead. I think this wig was a little bit too low, but I was scared to get it on my hairline, so that's fine. Now, when there is some edges that are flipped up, I use the end of like a flat surface and I add some gel or got to be glued spray and just start to melt the lace into my head. It makes it look a lot better and more seamless. As you can see, it looks really good, but I wanted to remove some of the excess gel that has my face all shiny. And what I'm going to do now is add baby hairs. I noticed that this lace was a little bit off for my skin tone. It's a little bit more grayish. So I just laid down the baby hairs and it made the lace a little bit less obvious. And that's all I had to do with this wig, which makes it the perfect wig for me. So now that we're back, what do y'all think of this hair? All in all, I love this hair. I love that it's pre-plucked. I plucked my part just a tiny bit, just so you can see it. But other than that, girl, that was it. I love a wig that I don't have to do too much on, girl, because I got a job. I got things to do. I can't just be out here plucking wigs. Y'all comment down below and tell me what are some tips that y'all do for like grayer lace. I use the L'Oreal Root Touch Up to tint the lace of my wigs, but sometimes that doesn't work out depending on the dominant color of the lace. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Come on now, let's cheers, grab your wine. I will leave all of the information for this wig and the company that sells this wig down below. I love you all and I will see you in my next video. Bye.